Many people these days are facing this issue called the DNS server not reached, or DNS server is not reachable. Your internet just cannot connect to the browser, whether you're using Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Brave, or even Firefox. So for those kind of issues, I'm bringing you this video today. Hi, my name is Chala, and I'm going to guide you through the process of how to fix the DNS server not responding for the internet. Now for step number one, what you want to be doing is just press Windows plus R button. And you're going to have to type in ncpa.cpl. As you can see here, ncpa.cpl. Click OK. Now whichever internet you're currently using is absolutely fine. I'm currently using my Wi-Fi. I'm going to do a right click here, go to Properties. And we are going to look for an option called Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4. Double click on that. Once this opens up, you're going to have to select this option called use the following DNS server address. Now you can use two DNS here, like one is the cloud DNS, one is the Google DNS. I prefer using the Google one, which is 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. You can also use the cloud one. The cloud one is 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. That's absolutely fine. You can use any one. I prefer the Google one though. And just press OK. Press OK here one more time. And that's it. That's the end of step number one. And for step number two, you just have to register this DNS with your ipconfig. For that, we're going to go to our start button, type in cmd. Make sure you run this as an administrator. This is option called run as administrator. Once your CMD opens up, you're going to have to type in the commands for the IP registration. I have prepared the commands here, which I will put down below in the description. So let's just copy the flushdns one first. And it's done. Successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. It's registered, and second command, we're going to register the DNS. Copy this. The second command is actually not necessary, but I do recommend it to run it as well. So we're going to run the second one as well. And it's done. It's absolutely fine now. Now for the next step, the last step, what you want to be doing is you can either restart your computer and then check your internet connectivity. It should work fine, absolutely. And if it doesn't, you can also do one more thing, which is right click here, do a disable, and then do a right click here and then enable, and it should work fine after that. It should absolutely work fine after that. So if this video helped you out, please let me know down in the comment below. It will really help me out to make better videos in the future. And thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.